Hey guys, what's going on? Happy 4th of July. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome new model I just designed. Check it out. It is an Origami UFO Flicker, and it almost looks like a UFO. And I like the way this model looks too. I think it looks really cool. It's got these nice color changed points sticking out. And yeah, it's got a nice center and a nice looking shape. And it's an awesome flying flicker. Check this out. Alright, so you just hold it like this and then you flick it. Check this out. Oh yeah, and another thing I really like about it is that it really spins in the air too. Oh yeah, so that's from a 6-inch commie. And if you fold it from 10-inch commie like it did on this one, it's an awesome frisbee. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for these two models, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of commie, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold, and now let's make a 4x4 grid, so fold in half. Alright, unfold, and now let's make a door base. Okay, unfold, and now let's do it in the other direction. Okay, unfold, now turn over, and now we're going to fold this point to the nearest intersection right there. Alright, and do that 3 more times. Okay, like that, and now turn over, and now let's reinforce the creases that are on these 4 corners right here. So it's a valley right here, but on these triangles, let's just kind of reinforce it. So just crease on these white triangles right here. So that way we'll make sure it's a valley all the way across. And same in the other direction. Like that. Okay, just makes it easier to collapse. Okay, so now we're going to collapse on, well, it's not really a collapse, but we're going to rabbit ear it. So we're going to form kind of like a pinwheel. So take these 2 edges and bring them in like this. And we're going to flatten this like that, and the other direction. Alright, like that. And we're going to do 1 corner at a time. So this next one, let's just lift it up and we're going to fold on this crease. And then pinch the corner like this, flatten it one way, and the other way. Like that. Now this one. If you want, you could do them all at once, but I like doing it like this. Alright, now this last one, it's a little bit harder, but same thing. Form it like this, and then flatten it like that, and like that. Okay, so there is the pinwheel, and now we're going to squash these 4 corners. So, open and squash, and same all the way around. Okay, just like this. Alright, now let's petal fold these 4 corners. So, to do that, you could just go ahead and make the petal fold like this, but since there's beginners, I'm gonna show you an easier way to do it. So, take these 2 raw edges and fold them to the middle. Like this, unfold, and now lift up the top edge, just about like that, and then now refold on these 2 creases, so like that, and then now just pinch right on that crease and this little crease right there. Alright, and then now flatten this up, just like that, and that is the petal fold. Okay, and now I'll show you again on this one, then I'm gonna fast forward these other 2. So we're gonna do the same on the remaining 3. So fold the edges to the crease, or if you're really good at petal fold, you can just go ahead and make it. When I fast forward these 2, I'm just gonna make the petal fold right away. I'm not gonna do the creases. So I need to hurry up and get this video done. Alright, now I'm going to fast forward these 2. Okay, now just crease everything sharply. Make sure it's flat. Okay, and now turn over, and now we're going to take these 2 corners and fold them up like this, and make sure that these points align with that crease right there. That's how you know you're going straight up. Alright, crease that nice and sharp, and do that all the way around. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and fold it to the crease like this. Alright, and now let's open this pocket right here, and we're gonna tuck this edge inside. So we're mountain folding on that crease. We're just sticking it inside. Like that. Alright, and now we're going to tuck this one in also, and this one's actually a lot harder because it's way more layers. So fold it down like this and fold this point to the crease right there. Alright. And now for this one, I recommend just kind of curling it a little bit because it's so much layers and it's a lot harder to stick inside. And then now, just kind of open that pocket however you can and just try and get that edge in there. Here we go. And this is the hardest step of the whole model. There you go. There, I got it in there. And just kind of shove it in there. If it's all messy in there, it's alright. As long as the corner's in there, then you're in good shape. Okay. We just had to get rid of these corners. So this is what we got. Alright, and now I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward these other two. So here we go. So I'm going to start with the raw corner, so fold to the crease. Alright, and then now open the pocket and stick it inside. So, okay, so that was the simple one. And now the not so simple one. Fold this down, fold to the crease. Alright, and then fold it down like this and then curve it a little bit. And then open the pocket however you can and stick it in there. Oh wow, got that one in there easily. Okay, like that, and really flatten it out. Alright, and that's what it looks like. Alright, now do the same thing on these two. Okay, so once we did that, let's turn back over, and now let's make this center part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point and we're gonna fold it to this edge. Alright, like that, and unfold, and now fold it inside on that crease. Like that, and make sure that's very sharp. Be careful so you don't tear the paper on these edges. Alright, now do that 3 more times. Alright, and once you did that, here is our UFO flicker completed. And yeah, it looks really cool. I think it looks really nice with these nice color changed corners right here. And yeah, and this green octagon, it looks like a UFO. And yeah, and here's the bottom side. It's really clean on this side. And yeah, and this is probably one of my favorite flickers I've actually ever designed so far. It flies awesome. So yeah, and remember, so it's a flicker when you fold it from 6-inch paper, but if you fold it from 10-inch paper like I did on this model, it's a frisbee, so you can throw it like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to fly it. I'm gonna show you how to fly it. Okay, so to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna hold it right here, and then I'm gonna flick on this. I'm gonna flick right here. So here it goes, and I'm gonna have this open side face up. So here we go. Oh yeah, that was good. Alright, let's do it again. Oh yeah, just like that. So now, that is a flicker, and if you folded it from 10-inch kami, and if you want to fly it as a frisbee, then here's how to do it. So I'm gonna hold it at the corner right here, and I'm having this side up, and I'm gonna just throw it like a frisbee, like this. So here goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh, and one more cool thing about the frisbee is that you can actually make it boomerang too. Check this out. Ooh, it came back to me. Oh, there, that was better. All right, now for the final one, I'm gonna put 2 of these together, and I'm gonna flick them both at the same time. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, here it goes. Oh, that was really good. So there it is. Alright, and before I end the video, I want to show you the model I'll be teaching on Wednesday. Check this out. It's an Origami Ninja Star, and it doesn't really fly very well, but yeah, it doesn't fly very well. But it's got this nice look right here, and what's really cool about it is that if you fold it in half like this, it turns into a really cool mohawk. See, and it's ISO area too, so it's the same on both sides. So yeah, so for that video, click on the card when it's available. Alright, and here's one I folded from Printer Paper Cut Square. Alright, make sure, alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.